All right, we're doing some meal prepping today. We're going to take a bunch of vegetables that I purchased at the farmer's market and the grocery store, and we're going to take a bunch of meat that I also got, a lot that I got on sale or on clearance, and we're going to prepare 6 freezer slash make-ahead fridge meals and even dinner for tonight. So let's get chopping all this stuff and having it prepared so we can make our meals. Whew! And after all that chopping, here is all the prepped vegetables. Looking really good, ready to throw into the different freezer meals. Now let's chop up all of our meat and get it ready to go. And here we go. I've got chicken legs and thighs and breasts, and I have some pork, and I have a couple of tri-tip roasts that I will be using, one for now and one for later. One great thing about spending all the time to prep ahead of time is the amount of time it will save me as I go throughout the week. So this first one is going to be kind of a curry chicken, and it's got potatoes and some peppers and onions in it. So I just easily threw that all in, set it aside, and then I put my spices and different things in with the chicken thighs that I had, or chicken legs that I had taken all the skin and kind of cut slits in them so that they could absorb all the flavor of the curry sauce I put in. The second meal was an Italian chicken. I added my spices, fresh garlic, fresh Italian parsley, some balsamic vinegar, and mixed that with chopped chicken breasts. Then I added some mushrooms and onions and threw in some asparagus and some peppers. Zipped that up and it was ready to go for later in the week. This one is for lemon butter steak. I added a cut up tri-tip roast with lots of seasonings and goodness, and some squeezed lemon juice, fresh squeeze, a little sriracha and soy sauce, and some more parsley. And then I added broccoli to this one. Zipped it up, got it ready to go for a later night that week where I could just throw it in the pan and cook it up. And stay tuned at the end for me cooking these. So this one is a pineapple pork. I added canned pineapple because that's what I had, but you could certainly add fresh if you wanted to, along with some honey and some other seasonings. Then I added a little bit of cornstarch and some green onions, and then I added a bunch of peppers and onions. And this made a really quick stir fry for our week, as we went about our week. Here I am putting my chopped up sweet potato and my chopped up eggplant and yellow squash all in a bag with some oil and salt. Now I'm setting that aside because that will go with this pork loin that I'm seasoning up really good. And then those will both be marinating, and I can pull them out and throw them in a pan really quick and easy on a weeknight. I know I keep saying that, but this has just saved me so much time during the week, especially when it was the end of school and I really needed a quick meal to pull out and not have to stress and worry about. And it had really good flavor. It was worth all the prep time. So I ended up with a bunch of kind of miscellaneous leftover vegetables. So I threw some chicken in with these vegetables, and I thought I'd make a stir fry out of them later. And here's what we had for dinner the night I made this. I just barbecued up this delicious tri-tips roast, and we cut them up into little pieces and made tacos. Here is the curry chicken. I just threw everything in a casserole dish and baked that and ate that up. It was really tasty. This is the lemon butter steak with the broccoli. We just ate that with some rice. And here is that pork loin. I did take out the eggplant because it kind of started to turn brown and I just didn't want to put it with this meal, but the sweet potatoes and the squash were really yummy with a really flavorful pork loin. And here is what I made with kind of the miscellaneous chicken and vegetables. I just threw in some ramen noodles to make kind of a stir fry. Here is my pork, my honey pineapple pork stir fry. Cooked that up and we ate that with rice. And this is the Italian chicken. I threw it all into a dish and baked it until it was well done. There was quite a bit of moisture in it, so you might want to drain that. I also had cooked the spaghetti squash in my pressure cooker that I had prepped with all this other stuff. So I had some spaghetti squash I could eat with this, and it all turned out really, really good. This was such an amazing week of meals. I loved it so much. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye.